Hello and welcome to Online Q's, your YouTube channel for your online queries. Now in this video I'll show you how you can add extra security to your Instagram account. So the thing that you can do is, firstly, you can change your password periodically by going into your settings menu and then going into password and just typing in your old password and then a new password that you can use. So click on this tick icon, and then now that your password has been used, you would have to use all this you would have to use this new password on all the other apps that you joined your Instagram account to. For example, if you're gonna sign into Instagram on your browser, you have to use this new password with your Instagram handle. And the next you can do is just go into your settings menu again, and then kind of go to this two-factor authentication. So toggle it on and click on turn on, and then enter the 6 confirmation code. So I've got the confirmation code. I'm gonna type that in over here, and then click here, and then it's gonna take a screenshot of your backup codes so that you can use it when you sign into another app or sign into Instagram on your web browser, which I'm gonna show you right now. So I'm gonna click on OK. So now I'm gonna attempt to log into my Instagram account on my web browser so that I can show you how that extra security by using two-factor verification really works. So I'm gonna use a browser I've never used before. So I'm gonna use my inbuilt browser and go to Instagram.com and try to log into my Instagram account. So what I need to do is click on this login button and then type in my Instagram handle, and then my password, and then click on login. And so enter the code we sent to your number ending in 6644. So you see that I get a verification code that I need to, in case of your phone not being reachable, you can use the other backup code that you saw me screenshot and copy and save. So I'm going to save info because this is my own mobile phone. You can choose not to do that if you think that's going to be a bit scary and all that. So you can see that by adding the two-factor verification, I would need a verification code that is sent to my mobile phone, and I need to enter that before I can start using my Instagram account. So this is how you can add that extra security layer into your Instagram account, so that people who don't know, people who might even know your password but signing it from a new device will need that security code. And if they do not have the backup codes that you screenshot, they cannot be using your Instagram account. So use this way to secure your account and change your password daily. Not daily, regularly, like once in a month, and so that you would feel secure and you won't be worried about people using your Instagram account. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on our video.